Fast descent. Waiting for NAV underscore script underscore time.
Sorry, so, right, so this is fast descent, which does a spiral on the way down to remove the chance of the multicopter going through its own vortex of wind. So I've set up some parameters here to control the size of the circle. They all start with FD for fast descent. So this time we have set up the spiral to be 15 meters radius, so 30 meters across, and both the horizontal speed and the vertical speed are 8 meters per second. Right, it's all written through a Lewis script. So there's an auto mission, and then it runs nav script time, which is when the script runs. So I'll arm it and loiter.